Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is November 22nd, 2023, Wednesday. Option expiry for BankNifty. First the levels, then as always the power of technical analysis. FinNifty closed today at 19,566.30, 0.23% down, while BankNifty was down 0.55%, 43,449.60. Nifty is up 0.14%, up, closing at 19,811.85. So BankNifty, first what it formed, then we go into the discussion part of it. BankNifty formed a solid red candle, just close above just below the Bollinger middle band, just touching the Bollinger middle band. So you can't say whether it has decisively broken or it is decisively above. While with a long lower leg, solid red candle. While FinNifty formed a red candle, slightly long lower leg, while BankNifty formed a spinning top type of candle, or more of a candle with a slightly long lower leg, not as long as that of FinNifty, but it formed a solid green candle, I would say. So for yesterday, if you recollect, what did we say for the levels? What is the support and resistance we said? I would request people to see my videos, right? So we had said that the resistance is going to be the weekly middle band. BankNifty is finding extremely hard. Even FinNifty is hard to touch the Bollinger middle band. Hence, that is going to act as a very powerful resistance. Did we say or not? It never went there. So then what did we say? 200-day moving average, 200-day exponential moving average is there. But even below that is the 50-week simple moving average. So that is the level that will act as a support. In fact, we expected these two levels to act as a support. But today during the day, 200-day simple moving average and exponential moving average was taken out. But during the end of the day, it closed well above that. So 50-week moving average, simple moving average was acting as a fantastic support. What was the level? 43, 142 or 43, somewhere there. That is the power of technical analysis. That is what we tell everyone. Learn technical analysis, go through our videos, go through our educational videos. That is what technical analysis is. Powerful tool. Many people say technical analysis will not work. No, they don't know how to use it. It's very as simple as that. It's like this. No, your fire is there. Your fire can be used to cook. It can be used to heat ourselves, and it can be used for the purpose which is beneficial to human beings. But it can also be used to kill others or self-immolate. It is not the mistake of fire, but the person who is using it. Likewise, technical analysis is a very powerful tool One who knows how to use it will be able to accurately analyze and make consistent amount of profits if one is a trader. Even for an investor, that will help investors in doing the right entry and exit times. Now let's go into the analysis part of it. As I said, Bank Nifty formed a solid red candle, but it managed to close just near the Bollinger middle band. Now, the crucial question is that whether the middle band will hold in the coming days or not. If that is broken out decisively, please understand the word decisive. Today also, if one were to see that it is below the Bollinger middle band, close. But I wouldn't call it as a decisive. When the word decisive comes, when it breaks that and goes significantly, the moment it happens, you can see easily another 500-600 points going down in Bank Nifty. If that happens, then I would say a complete reversal. But at least in the short term, tomorrow I would expect some sort of short covering coming in, because in the fag end of the day today, the last 2 hours, 3 hours, the selling was arrested and when Bank Nifty managed to go up. Fin Nifty also did the similar thing. Why? Because majority of Bank Nifty components are forming heavyweight in Fin Nifty. Apart from that, you have the other financials and insurance, which is why Fin Nifty did relatively better today. Nifty on the other hand, it opened a gap up, but it is more of a sideways movement, but it is just moving up. That's what the overall texture and structure of the market is. Now let's go into the individual components analysis. Banks, Bandhan Bank, Federal Bank, Kotak Bank fell 1%. IDFC, IndusInd Bank, Yes Bank fell 2%. Axis Bank 1% up. Others remain flat. See, when I say others, HDFC and ICICI, it fell almost nearly 1% during the day, particularly HDFC Bank. But during the fag end of the day, it managed to recover, which is why it propelled and gave strength to Bank Nifty and also to Nifty and also to Fin Nifty. On the financials, LIC Housing Finance, Manappuram and Sriram 1% down, IDFC 2% down, Bajaj Finserv and Chola and Jio 1% up, Reliance Jio. Insurance and cards, ICICI General 1% down, others remain flat. Oil and telecom, both Bharti and Reliance remained flat. IT, LTTS 1% down, Apple, Birlasoft, Infi, LTIM, Emphasis, Techem 1% up. Other IT companies like Wipro, HCL, Techem all remained, TCS all remained sideways, which is why you had some good support coming in for Nifty. On the consumer goods, Berger and PVR down 2%, ABFRL, Bata, DMart, HUL, ITC, Titan, Trent all up 1%. That tells now why Nifty went up. Automobiles, M&M and Motherson 1% down, Bajaj Auto, Hero Motors, TVS 1% up, Bharat 2% up. Ashok Leyland yesterday, which had a massive move, today it formed a kind of a doji. It is a continuation pattern. The metals, coal, Hindalco, JSW, SAIL 1% down, National Aluminium and Vedanta 2% down, NMDC moved up by 1%. Health and Pharma, Divis, Lalpath and Metropolis 1% down, Apollo Hospitals and Cipla 1% up, Thyrocare 2% up. In the others category, Adani Enterprise, Adani Ports, Godrej, Indigo, IRCTC, Zomato 1% down, MCX down 2%, APL, Apollo and Ultratech 1% up. With all these things, what do we expect for Nifty closure? Nifty is relatively strong, which we have been telling that the October high is something where one can think of resistance. Okay, what is October high? It is 19,985.15. So that means 20,000 is the level one can think of support. Okay, because it is in a very good up move. Of course, on the that is resistance. On the support side, I would call the 20-day exponential moving average, which is at 19,551 levels. That will act as a fantastic support because the 20-day moving average is acting as Bollinger Band is acted as support for Bank Nifty itself. For Nifty, this will act as a fantastic support. Thank you very much.